Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Manish, watching a tech and coding channel, MyCodeWorks. So guys, are you interested preparing Java interview for SDET or automation engineer role? So here we are going to solve top 3 questions that are being asked in interview. Most of the questions are from most popular questions which is being asked in interviews for SDET if you're preparing for SDET role or QA automation or test engineer. So let's get started with the question and we'll solve in this video itself, and we'll cover more and more questions in upcoming videos. So for today, we are going to cover these 3 questions which are very important if you are preparing for Java interview, as there will be a coding round in every interview. There will be a coding round where they can ask these questions in a hacker rank or a lead code. So you will be given, like, they will ask, they can ask in that find the max or minimum number, second max or minimum number from a array, right? So there will be an array and you have to find the second max. Suppose there are first max, or suppose there are 3, right? So this is the second max number, right, in an array. So we have to return this 2, and if I say the maximum number, then 3 will be the max, but second max, this is the second max, right? So another one is we are going to work on that, check if 2 strings are anagrams. We'll see directly on the slide. Okay, let's clear this and move to the slide. Okay, I will directly move to the slide. Okay, so write a Java program to find second min max number from array. So basically you will be given a number 1, 2, 3, 10, 15, 100. So this is an array, we have to find the second max. If you see it is sorted directly, we can return as a array arr of this length 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, array of 6 minus 2 means 6 length, array length dot length minus whatever number you want to second max, then it will be n, right? It will return the second max value from the given array. So array length minus n, array of, but only one condition, that the array should be sorted, right? Array should be sorted. If suppose array is not sorted, then it can be like 3, 5, 15, 10, 2, 1. So out of these 3, 15, 10, 2, 1, what is the second max? Then if I say second max, that it will come as a 10, right? First max is 15, second max is 10. So let's figure out how to find this second max value from the given array. I will clear this and directly I will jump to the VS Code. Okay, so if I say VS Code, then let's take an array of 3, 5, 10, 20, 7. Okay, this is array, and we need to find out that the output should be 10. 10 is the output. 10 is the output here. So let's write a code which can find out the second max. Let me clear this and let me start with the coding part. I will take an example directly. I will take an array as an input, int arr 3, 4, 1, 7, 10, 20, 15, 40. Okay, so this is your array, and we are going to find out the second max, right? So let's start with the iterating over, find the max of the element, max of this array first. So what I will do, I will declare a max equals to, so if we don't have max, we don't know the max, then directly we can assign the first value will be of this array will be as a max, we can assign, and then we can also assign that index, max index will be the 0, right? So what we can do, let's check whether is there any max value apart from this, then we can reassign the value, right? I equals to 0, I less than array dot length length I plus plus, and then if array of I is greater than m, then what we need to do, we need to reassign the value. The max is equals to array of I. Now max is array of I, and the same way we can assign the index as I. So my max value is my max value present at particular index I, right? So this is the code for finding the max value. Now let's find out the second max. So second max, basically I will take as a int max sm, I will take as a sm. Okay, and then I can take as an integer dot minimum value, integer integer dot min value as a second max value. Now here what we can do, we can iterate over this array again, int j equals to 0, j less than array dot length and j plus plus. One thing we are sure that here particular semicolon needed. Okay, so one thing here we are sure that at I index or m index our max value present, so we should avoid this index. Okay, so what we can do is that if I or j is not equals to m index, and one more condition we can say that our sm value is the smallest value is less than array of j, because we are using j, then sm equals to array of j. Okay, if this is the, so if this condition satisfy, means it never be, if suppose right? So how it is going to calculate, let me clear this, and again let's back to, and let's print out the system dot out dot println sm. Okay, so let's print it once. This condition, I hope you understand that j is not equal to m index, so the max index we are not going to check, we are going to skip. So after that the value will be the second maximum value, right? So let's run this code. Okay, if I run this code, I should get the expected maximum value out of, second maximum value out of this array. If you see here, the 15 is the maximum, second maximum value, and the first one was the 20 as a max value. So it was stored here 20, and the second one is coming here as a 15 as a output. So we are able to solve the second max value. We have a lot of other way to find the second max value, or the n max value I can say, or n second max value, right? So if we can sort this value, okay, if we can sort this value, let me write this second max value. Okay, we can also write this arrays. Okay, let's import the array here first. Arrays import java dot util dot arrays. Okay, so we are going to use arrays at dot sort, arrays dot sort, and we are going to sort this array. Okay, so now array is sorted in increasing order, so it will go something like this. So array is sorted now, it is 1 3 4 like this, it will go till 20. Okay, now if I say array sorted, I need to return the second max value. Second max value belongs to where? Here, right? So how I can write array of array dot length minus which value? Second value, right? Means 2. If I say 2, then it will return this value, right, as a second max value. If I say n second max value, n max value, right? If I say n max value, then I can return this as a n, so it will go as a n. So the formula is array length minus n. Array should be sorted, right? So let's clear this and let's print out this value. System dot out dot println array of array dot length minus n, or 2. If I say directly 2, then it will print the same. Let me print out, comment out this one, and let me rerun this again. Okay, as you can see here, we are getting the 15 as a second max value using this one index, or we can say second minimum value. So we can go with the same. I can copy paste, and I can copy paste, and I can remove this one 1. Okay, so second minimum value is something array index of 1. So as you can see here, okay, let me run this one and I will show you. So second minimum value is something 3. So 1 is first minimum value, the minimum or lowest value, and the second lowest value is 3. So by using array sort, we can also find out the value. So we are able to solve this problem using array sort also, and normal brute force algorithm also. So let's move to the second problem. That is something that check the given two string are anagrams. So anagram, basically if two strings content are same, they are anagram. Suppose if I say s1 is equal to a b c, s2 equals to c b a, and if I say they are s1 is anagram of s2. How we are saying? Because their content find out in the same string. I mean a present in s1, I can say that, and s2, b present in same, and c present in s2, s1 and s2. So the logic is something like, let's directly move to jump into this. I will clear this one. Okay, so the logic is, I can comment out this code. Okay, so let me comment out this code once, and I will write it here. Okay, so let's take a true string. String s1 equals to cat, string s2 equals to tac. Okay, and let's write this code here once. I will tell you. Public static is bo boolean is anagram string s1 string s2. Okay, so the logic is here s1 cat, s2 tac. So we are going to check whether all the characters present inside this string or not. So if all the characters present, then we can say that these are anagrams. If not, then we can say that these are not anagrams. Okay, so what we can do is, let's clear this one and let's write the code. Okay, so we can use this to char array method we have. Okay, so how we can use char char sc1. Okay, we can use s1 to char array, which will convert the given string to an array. Okay, character array, and again character sc2 of s2 dot to char array. So we got two character array of the given string. Now we can sort arrays dot sort of the given array sc1 and arrays dot sort sc2. So both the array we are able to sort. Now we have to check arrays dot equal sc1 dot sc2. This will return boolean value arrays dot equal. We can check whether the given arrays are same or not. If it is same, then it will return as a true. If it is not, it will return as a false. So we can directly system dot out dot println is anagram of s1 s2. So let's run it once and then let's see whether we are getting the expected output or not. Arrays, okay, we have method arrays. So equals, not equals, okay, so we have method equals, okay. So as you can see here, we got true as a output here. So it was a equals, not equal. So as you can see, the both string are anagram of each other. If I change to anything t or c, then let's whether we are getting the expected output or not. It should return as a false. So as you can see, they are not anagram of each other. It's returning false. So we are able to solve this problem also. Now let's move to third problem quickly, and then we'll solve that problem also. So third problem is, you will be given an array 1 2 3 4 5. You have to find a two number pair, I can say, which is given to the given number sum. I mean the pair sum equals to given number, means, so this is the array and number is 7. So if I check here, 1 plus 5 is not, 1 plus 2 is not also, 3 plus 4, right? So it will go, how we can say, 1 with 2, 1 plus 2 no, 1 plus 3 no, 1 plus 4 no, 1 plus 5 no, 2 plus 3 no, 2 plus 4 no, 2 plus 5 is 7, right? So 2 plus 5 one pair, and another 3 plus 4 is 7, 3 plus 4 is one pair. So these are the two pair which will give the 7 as a some value. So let's solve this one. We will use brute force algorithm. So directly move to the, okay, so let me comment it out, or we can keep it like that. I will comment this code and I can use one array here directly, int arr 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. So I took array. Now what we can do, we can iterate over this array for int I equals to 0, I less than array dot length I plus plus. Again we can use one more inner loop to iterate again on this loop array. It's a brute force, it will go any square. So the logic is 1 2 3 4 5. We have to check with one number on all the numbers, again number all the numbers, again all the numbers, again all the numbers. So first loop will pick one, and second will go with the all the members except this one. So it will go with the second, I mean I plus 1, right? So how we can do, 1 plus 2 equals to 7, no, equals 7, 1 plus 3 equals 7, no, like that it will go. So first iteration done, second iteration I will go to 2, like that we have to write. So let's write this, int j equals to 0, j plus plus, sorry, j less than array dot length j plus plus. Okay, if array of I plus array of j equals will give us sum. Okay, int sum equals to 7, then sum, right? If it is so, then we can print the pair, system dot out dot println pair to number array of I plus comma plus array of j. So let's run this code and let's clear this. Let's run this code and we'll see whether we are getting the expected pairs or not. Okay, let me clear this and let me run this code. So we j plus plus expected length. Okay, so let's run it again once. Expected semicolon I plus plus. Okay, so j should be I plus 1 array dot length. It should not be a if condition, it should be a for condition. Sorry for this. So as you can see here, we are getting the two pairs here, 2 and 5 one pair, another one is 3 and 4 another pair. So both the number sum equals to 7, it will come in. So that's why we are getting this 2 pair from this array. So we are able to solve this problem also. I hope you are able to understand these problems very clearly. If you get any doubt, if you face any issue, please let me know in comment section. And the most optimized codes also, please, if you have, you can put in the comment section. It will be helpful for other guys. So let's wrap up this session. I know it's very lengthy, but it's required. We need explanation. So that's why it will take time. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you understood it very well. And please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. I will keep uploading this quality content for you guys for free. So please do support guys and share with your friends. Thanks for watching this video.